This is my Volcano s30, and I was ramping, and when I fell down, I hit the gas, and it didn't want to go, and I realized that I broke something, and I wasn't prepared for it. I'll show you what I broke. This is where the tire goes. When I crashed, give me a second. When I crashed, the tire wasn't like that. It was laying like this. What happened was this right here broke. Not right there, but this arm piece right here that holds on to there broke, and I had to take it off. This is what it looks like. Broken half. And it would look like this while this piece hangs on top of here. But as you can see, it's broken. How to break it? I did a jump and landed kind of funny. Like, the tire was like turned like that way, and I guess it snapped. Actually, it landed kind of like hit that, so it bent it outwards, and I guess could have taken it and snapped. So I had to order some. I broke it, and I was thinking about getting aluminum piece right here, but which look like that. Instead of getting these plastic dirt crap, change out all this, be better. But yeah, I gotta wait a long time before I get these parts back. Go ahead and start running my nitro vehicle here. Yep, that's all.